Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that join words or groups of words, phrases, or sentences together. Examples of conjunctions include and, but, or, yet, and so on and so forth. For instance, Joy and Tope are good students. I was there, but I did not see John leave the hall. Although Jane is beautiful, she lacks manners. Types of conjunctions. Number 1, coordinating conjunctions. The coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. While the subordinating conjunctions include before, when, where, who, after, which, while, as, whom, since, if, in order that, so that, unless, until, whose, that, though, although. For instance, my wife came when I did not expect her. I met him in the place where he hid the gold. We saw the boy who stole the money. The third type of conjunction is the conjunction known as correlative conjunction. They always involve the use of two conjunctions in joining or linking words, phrases, or clauses together. Such conjunctions are either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also.